Question 5, Module 2. Within baleen whale species, some individuals develop an accessory spleen, a seemingly functionless formation of splenetic tissue outside the normal spleen. Given the formation's greater prevalence among whales known to make deeper dives, some researchers hypothesize that its role isn't blank. Rather, the accessory spleen may actively support diving mechanisms. Which choice completes the text with the most logical and precise word or phrase? A. Replicable. B. Predetermined. C. Operative. D. Latent.
Over here we have the baleen whale species discussion, and it's talking about some individuals they develop an accessory spleen, and it seems functionless formation of splenetic tissue outside the normal spleen. But given the formation's greater prevalence among whales, but it has been found in a lot of whales are known to make deeper dives, and those whales in which this was found they were making deeper dives. So some researchers they have come with some hypothesis. So which should we choose? So if you say D, latent, that is the best answer because it most logically completes the text discussion of baleen whale accessory spleens. In this context, latent means dormant or functionless. The text sets up a contrast between the idea that baleen whale accessory spleens appear not to have a function and the research indicating that the accessory spleen may actually have a role in supporting the whale's diving mechanisms. So over here within first they thought that it is latent, but then they are using the word rather. So after that they are saying that according to the hypothesis may actively support diving mechanisms because it's found in whales which are making deeper dives. So the text sets up a contrast between the idea that baleen whale accessory spleens appear not to have a function and the research indicating that the accessory spleen may actually have a role in supporting the whale's diving mechanisms. This context therefore conveys the idea that the assumption that baleen whale accessory spleens are latent that will be incorrect actually. Choice A is incorrect because it wouldn't make sense to say that the role of the accessory spleen is replicable or capable of being reproduced. The text indicates that the role of the accessory spleen seems to have no function, but some researchers think it does have a role. The text doesn't address whether the role of the accessory spleen could or couldn't be reproduced. Choice B is incorrect because suggesting that the role of the accessory spleen is predetermined or decided in advance, the text focuses on the idea that the accessory spleen was thought to have been functionless but may in fact serve as an active role for baleen whales. Choice C is incorrect because it's the opposite of what the context of the text is conveying. The second sentence of the text indicates that the baleen whale accessory spleens may not be useless, not that they aren't operative or functional.